Hi, Joe here from Shutter Speak Photography. Very nice to see your smiling face again here on YouTube. Today, we are looking at a really cool piece of gear for video creators and photographers, the Neewer DL400 motorized camera dolly. The Neewer DL400 is to cameras what the Roomba is to cats. If you are looking for a way to get buttery smooth motion shots without spending a fortune on a full-size slider, this little gadget might be just what you need. So let's dive in. This is the Neewer DL400, a compact motorized dolly that can support up to 6.6 pounds, making it perfect for everything from a mirrorless camera to a small DSLR or an action cam. It's also super quiet thanks to its rubber wheels, which is great because the last thing you want is motor noise ruining your audio. You can use it to move in a straight line or have it rotate up to 30 degrees around the subject, which is great for product shots or creative movements. The controls right on the dolly are simple and intuitive, but what really impressed me is the app. Connecting to the DL400 was a breeze, and the app actually unlocks a lot of extra functionality. You can adjust speed, set direction, and program movements, which brings me to one of my favorite features, the A to B mode. Okay, so I'll be honest, the A to B mode threw me off at first because there aren't any instructions, but after playing around with it for a bit, I figured it out. The mode lets you program the dolly to start and stop at a specific point and even loop the movement. There are two options for this, constant speed and slow speed. Personally, I preferred the slow mode because the constant setting stops too abruptly, which can cause a little bit of unwanted camera shake. One of the coolest things about the DL400 also is the 2.5 millimeter shutter release point. So with the right cable for your camera, you can use this to take stills or even shoot time lapses. Okay, or you can use it to trigger video recordings. Just keep in mind that Neewer doesn't include the cable, and the type of cable you need depends on your camera brand and camera model. It comes with a small bowl head. It comes with a cell phone mount. And it comes with a GoPro adapter or action cam adapter. But here's the one thing I wish was a little bit different. It only has a 1/4 inch screw mount, which is fine for lightweight setups, but most professional tripod heads use a 3/8 inch screw. Luckily, a simple screw adapter fixes this. So I'll drop a link in the comments for this one. I tested this with my Nikon Z8 using my own tripod head and camera cable, and it worked flawlessly. So now let's talk about some of the technical specifications of the DL400. The Neewer DL400 dolly features an ultra-quiet dual motor system and non-slip rubber wheels with 2-wheel front-wheel drive, ensuring smooth movement and uninterrupted video recording with noise levels below 30 decibels. The dimensions are 9 inches by 6.9 inches by 2.6 inches, or if you prefer, 229 by 175 by 65 millimeters, and it weighs 3.75 pounds or 1.7 kilograms. The package includes the DL400 motorized camera dolly and NP750 battery, a USB Type-C charging cable, the action camera mount, a phone holder, and the ball head. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Neewer DL400. The app adds a ton of value, the movement is smooth, and it's versatile enough for different types of video work or for photography. My only real complaints, the lack of instructions for the dolly and the missing 3/8 inch mount, but both of those are minor. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a link below to the Neewer DL400 along with that screw adapter link. Let me know in the comments how you would use this dolly in your videos. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, YouTube. I appreciate you. As you know, if you leave me a comment, I always try and do my best to answer. So hit me up. I'd love hearing from you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.